Integrating the CyberScout mobile app is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, it is essential to understand what CyberScout is and the benefits it provides. CyberScout is a comprehensive identity theft protection and data defense service that offers a range of features to safeguard personal and financial information. The first step in integrating the CyberScout mobile app is to download and install it from the App Store. Once the app is installed, users will need to create an account or login if they already have one. This involves providing some basic personal and contact information, as well as setting up a username and password. After the account is set up, users can begin to explore the various features and tools offered by the CyberScout app. This includes credit monitoring, identity theft protection, and data breach alerts. The app also provides access to a team of experienced fraud specialists who can offer guidance and support in the event of a security incident. To get the most out of the CyberScout app, it is crucial to take a few additional steps. Users should enable push notifications to receive alerts and updates about potential security threats. They should also set up account monitoring to track changes to their credit reports and financial accounts. In terms of best practices, it is recommended that users keep their login credentials secure and do not share them with anyone. They should also regularly review their account activity and report any suspicious transactions or changes to their credit reports. By following these steps and guidelines, users can effectively integrate the CyberScout mobile app and enjoy enhanced protection and peace of mind. Overall, integrating the CyberScout mobile app is a simple and straightforward process that can provide significant benefits in terms of identity theft protection and data defense. By understanding the key concepts and following the steps outlined in this guide, users can take a proactive approach to safeguarding their personal and financial information.